Alright, well, I partially caught that. I guess I'll let that count. Here we go, they're doing it!
Radio public warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there's a threat of severe weather, that test will then be postponed until the next available non-severe weather test day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This will alert you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties, mostly in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, but Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties of northeastern Kansas are included, as are Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been our weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes that weekly test. We'll now get you back to your regular programming.
Perfect. I was just about to record too.
11 a.m.
I was just about to record as well.
The temperature was 77 degrees.
That was perfect timing.
And the relative humidity 38%.
That was beautiful. That was really, really beautiful. I was just about to record as well. That was perfect timing. Well done, Omaha. That's pretty much the only good thing that he had done so far. No offense, but still. And perfect activation on all of my weather radios. Besides the zone guard, it just did the warning tone. I don't know why I did that. I did this. I did this. I did that. But I don't know why it does that, but... Anyway, perfect activation on all my weather radios. Brilliant. That was a beautiful test. Alright. And a 1, 2, 3, that's enough for me. Alrighty then. That went good, actually. That was pretty decent, actually. We were able to caught a good majority of it. Alright, that's enough testing for this week. Alright.